Yeah, alright.
My son shield.
Marksland! Oh no! The Godzilla baby striked again! He's so happy! Yeah! Hi, Maya girl! How are you? What's that?
Baby.
A baby?
Yeah.
And what's that?
Baby.
A pussycat?
It's a baby.
Oh!
Baby animal.
Listen to that sound. Marksland likes it.
Oh.
Cuddle, cuddle. Wow, that's a baby. What's her name? What's her name? Maya? Anna? Baby alive. Sleeps and cuddles. Nice. Oh, that's nice. There's a diaper.
Sticker.
Yeah,
Mommy,
stickers.
put water. Put water.
Oh yeah, later.
Water? For what?
With this.
For the sip cup.
She's going to drink it?
With water.
Okay, alright. If you say so. Cute pussycat. Is this a cat? What happened to the train? Oh my goodness. The Godzilla baby striked again. The Godzilla baby. Hey, Mami Rhea. How are you?
Good.
Wow, a fire truck RC by Fastlane.
And the baby.
He likes it.
Baby Marksland.
Marksland likes it. Ooh, look at them. Oh, that's cool. Siren alarm.
Maya, Maya, Maya.
Siren sound.
Bye-bye.
A fire truck.
Okay,
He wants to do it.
Hey, Martin, come here.
He cannot reach it yet.
Yeah.
Bye, can sit.
Yeah, fire truck 4x4. Nice.
I can touch the
It's
wheel.
okay, baby.
I can touch
Emergency lights and sounds.
and a finger.
I know, yeah, wow. Can I see the back of the box, Mommy?
Hey.
Ah, la, la.
Thank you. Full function RC. Impact resistant bumper. Off-road tires. Up to 120 feet range. Cool. Yeah. Choo-choo train, choo-choo train. You have the scissors with you, Mommy?
Oh, no, I have to get it.
Okay, get the scissors. Get the scissors. Choo-choo train. Oh no. Thank you, Maya. Okay, Mommy. Where are you going? She's looking for the scissors. Does she talk, Maya, your baby? Or not? No? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy found the scissors. Unboxing time.
Look at Maya.
She will not cut you. Okay, another unboxing time. Here we go, Marksland. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that fire truck. Maya likes it. Give it to Maya. Instructions. Okay. All right. Okay, Mommy, unbox the truck.
Other back in time.
That is Thomas.
Other back in time.
Another unboxing time? Okay, go Maya. Unboxing time with Maya girl.
Yes.
Hey, Buchito baby.
Okay. Okay, unboxing time. Thomas the Tank Engine. Hey, not the scissors, Markslen.
Daddy, bullet.
Yeah! That's a soft bullet.
Okay, Daddy. Mommy
Okay,
boxing. Mommy boxing.
Maya talks like a minion.
Mommy boxing.
Go do it yourself, Maya. Go. Mommy is busy. Unboxing time! Markslen! Markslen is relaxing. Thomas is unboxed! Oh yeah! Thomas is unboxed! He's excited. He's playing with it now. Hey, don't put it in your mouth, Maya.
I'm the favorite drop truck.
Ooh, that's a garbage truck.
I got to wash some stuff.
Yeah? Oh yeah, a lot of trash, a lot of garbage. And there is the controller or the remote. You wanna drive it? Okay. Wow, it looks nice.
How many
I will
batteries
try
you
it.
need?
That's nice, huh, Markslen?
Two batteries.
Two AA batteries. We will see.
This is a shovel.
Oh yeah, a shovel. Markslen likes it.
Okay.
Okay, batteries are installed. How about for the truck? How many batteries for the truck? Yeah, look at Markslen. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Screwdriver. Careful with that thing. Okay, 5 AA batteries for the truck. Yeah. That's funny, huh, Markslen?
How about you?
No, not me. Yeah.
Tito.
Buchito baby boy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, put the batteries now. Yay! Maya, I like what it says on your shirt.
What?
It says, Mommy's Little Princess.
Oh.
Mommy's Little Princess.
Maya.
Are you a princess? Yeah? Are you Cinderella? Or maybe Snow White? Okay. Put the cover back. Maya's gonna do it. Maya knows how. Go, Maya. Screw it back. See, she's smart. She knows how to do it.
Maya, Maya, Maya.
Alright.
Very good, Maya. See, she's smart.
Where is the...
Okay. The straw. The antenna straw. Look at my slime. Yay. You see, Maya is a good driver. Maya is good. Okay, this time without the siren alarm. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, the garbage. Trash.
Everything's fresh.
Can mommy try, Maya? Can you try it, mommy?
Okay.
Mommy's turn.
My turn. Whoa.
Yeah. Woo. Wow, drift.
Maya, Maya, Maya. Maya.
Wait.
Okay, Maya's turn again. Maya is scared of hitting herself.
What is that, my friend? Is it a cigarette?
That's a Nerf bullet.
Give it to mommy.
Nyay. Nyay. Maya, can I try? Thank you, thank you. Okay, it's my turn. Woo! Woo! Look at me! Woo! I'm a good
You're so
driver.
good.
Wow, look at Maya. Are you a robot? Maya, the robot. Silly Maya. Okay, back to the truck. Okay, let's drive. Woo! 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 Drifting. Woo!
Guys.
Drift.
Bye-bye.
Oopsie.
Ano?
Oopsie, oopsie. Oopsie. My bad, my mistake, my bad. Woohoo! Yeah, woo, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Firefighter 4x4 4700. Nice. You like it, Markslen? He likes it.
Baby likes toys.
Yeah. Yay! Mommy's gonna put the diaper. Huh? Oh, okay.
What, Martin?
He finds it funny.
Yeah.
Marceline finds it funny. You okay?
Mama's
It's good.
Mama's
Little baby drinking water. Is the diaper going to get wet?
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay.
ay. Sticker. Sticker.
That's cute. Okay, what's going on, mommy?
Time to change.
Oh, it's wet.
Ubus the diaper. Ubus.
Oh, yeah. She finished the water.
More. Just more.
Yeah, a little more. The diaper is wet. Ew. Yucky, yucky.